class on CSD. However, I tell you about phases of data. Structured data, unstructured, natural languages, machine language, graph based, audios, videos, and images, living biometrics. Structured data. Structured data means in forms of data. Example, Excel sheets. Unstructured. Example, text, PDFs, words, documents. Machine language. Machine generated. Machine generated means machine code. Graph based. Graph based means social media. Audios, videos, and images. Streaming live matches. Example, kabaddi, cricket, etc. Data process. Research the goal, determining data, data exploration, data modeling, data preparation of automation. Research the goal, with understanding the data, how and why, projects of the data. Determining data. Collection of data is called determining data. Data exploration. Collecting the data is awareness of the data is called data exploration. Data modeling. The data is models, knowledge inside the data is called data modeling. Data preparation. Building is equal to the data is called data preparation. Preparation of automation. Finally, result in the project. Preparation of called. Finally, result in the project data is called preparation of automation. Thank you.